So hello everyone, and today we're going to be doing another experiment, another little demonstration where we make a blizzard in a jar. Okay? So a blizzard is a big snowstorm where there's lots of snow blowing and there's lots of really strong winds as well. We're going to try and replicate it in this little jar. So you'll need a few different things. You'll need baby oil, you'll need white paint, some kind of glitter, some kind of effervescent tablet. So we're using denture cleaner, but you can use vitamin C tablets, things like that as well. Be aware though that if the ones you buy have a colour to them, if they're pink or orange, then that will affect the colour of the blizzard as well. So the first thing we're going to do is take our baby oil and we are going to fill this jar about 2/3 of the way full. So you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. About 2/3 of the way should be fine. About there. Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to do is take some water, about 60 millilitres, and we're going to add some white paint. Okay? Because snow is obviously white. There. Oh, look at that. That's fantastic. Good. So we'll stir all of this together like that. Make it into a nice white kind of solution. There we go. Good. And then we'll pour it. There we go. Into our oil like that. So, the next thing you want to do is add a little bit of glitter, because you want a little bit of Christmas sparkle, I suppose, don't you? So we're just going to use silver glitter. There we go. That should hopefully give it a little bit of that Christmas sparkle. Now, the most important part is your effervescent tablet, your denture cleaner. So we're going to use 3 tablets of Steriden, and what you want to do is you want to break them up into smaller pieces, okay? So if you break them up into nice small pieces, into almost like a powder, then that increases the surface area available for the reaction, so it will proceed a lot more quickly than it would if you just dropped them in. So, you might need an adult to help you with this, because these can be pretty tough to break up. But we're almost there. Perfect. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take all of these broken bits of denture cleaner and I'm going to add them into the jar. Now when I add them into the jar, they will react with the water that mixed with the paint, and they will start releasing lots of bubbles of gas, which should hopefully create a kind of snowstorm effect. So let's give it a try. Give it a minute to react. There we go. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Some glitter foaming about there. Yeah, so there you go. A really cool little demonstration you can do at home to make a blizzard in a jar.